While visiting a friend in Tennessee, we pulled up Onyx to see if there was a quick, easy trail we could hop on near him. The closest trail was Clinch Mountain Fire Tower Trail. It looked perfect. It would only take about 30 to 40 minutes to do, and it would only take 15 minutes to get there. I wouldn't normally do a video on a trail like this, but while reviewing my GoPro uploads, I saw a highlight reel had been auto-generated. Why not, I thought. So, here it is for anyone curious about this trail.